Alright, that's Mikey Zachary. That's Taylor Piper. They're gonna see who the loudest burp. Do it one more time.
Oh, God.
Mikey, do it one more time. As loud as you can. You do it as loud as you can.
Huh?
Do it as loud as you can.
What the?
Watch the Zachary cat.